Hey, babe. Good night. I'm going to bed.
Hold up.
What?
Did you put your oils on?
No.
I'm not putting up with your snoring tonight. Put your oils on.
Which ones? Okay. Time.
On your big toe.
All right.
And so that you don't smell like a pizza pie, mix it with some serenity.
All right.
And then I'm gonna, while you do that, I'm gonna go put Breathe and lavender in our diffuser.
All right.
Right?
Okay. Night.
Night.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, babe?
Want me to get the passion out?